In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Hotjar to your Squarespace site and verify it's working. We'll start inside your Hotjar account because that's where you'll grab the tracking snippet you need. Once you're logged in, open your site settings and look for the tracking code or site ID. Hotjar clearly labels this in the installation area. If you see a full script tag, copy the entire snippet. If your view only shows a site ID, note that as well, since Squarespace can accept either the full script or, depending on your setup, the ID via a custom code field. The key is to copy exactly what Hotjar provides so it can connect your site to your Hotjar project. Next, head over to your Squarespace dashboard. From the home screen, go to Settings, then Advanced, and open Code Injection. This is the centralized place for site-wide code, which ensures Hotjar loads on every page. If your template presents a custom code option instead, open that. The location names vary slightly between versions, but you're looking for the site-wide header area, not a single page's code block. In the code injection panel, paste the Hotjar tracking code into the header field. If you only have a site ID and your layout provides a specific place to enter it, follow the on-screen prompt there. Avoid placing the code in a page level block or footer unless Hotjar specifically instructs it, because the header is what loads first and captures the most complete data. Now save your settings. Use the Save button in the panel and give Squarespace a moment to apply the change across your site. With that done, open your live site in a new browser tab. Click around a few pages, scroll, and interact naturally. This quick visit helps generate the first hits Hotjar can detect. If your site is password protected or in maintenance mode, consider viewing a publicly accessible page for the most accurate confirmation. After giving it a little time, return to Hotjar. You don't need to refresh frantically. Data can take a few minutes to appear. When you come back later, open recordings to see session captures and check heat maps for visual engagement. If you don't immediately see activity, don't worry. New sites or low traffic pages may take longer. Confirm that the code is still saved in the site-wide header and not duplicated elsewhere, and that you visited a public page after installing. That's it. You copied your Hotjar tracking code, added it to Squarespace's site-wide code area, saved your changes, confirmed tracking by visiting your site, and then returned to Hotjar to review recordings, heat maps, and other insights. You're ready to start learning how visitors actually use your site.